Hello and welcome to our latest video on the best new bathroom appliances. Today we will be showcasing some of the latest and most innovative bathroom appliances that are perfect for any modern home. From shower heads to toilets, we have got it all covered. So let's dive right in. Segment 1. Smart Toilets. Let's start with one of the most innovative and high-tech appliances in your bathroom, the smart toilet. These toilets have features such as automatic flushing, heated seats, and even built-in speakers to play your favorite music. Some of the latest models even come with integrated bidet functions, allowing you to experience a spa-like clean every time you use the bathroom. Segment 2. High-tech shower heads. Up next, we have some of the latest shower heads that are perfect for those who want to enjoy a luxurious shower experience. The latest shower heads come with a range of features such as LED lighting, Bluetooth connectivity to play music or take calls, and adjustable water pressure to suit your preferences. With these shower heads, you can turn your ordinary shower into a spa-like experience. Segment 3. Smart Mirrors. Who says your mirror can't be smart? The latest smart mirrors come with features such as integrated lighting, Bluetooth connectivity, and even voice-activated assistants like Amazon Alexa. These mirrors are perfect for those who want to streamline their morning routine and stay up to date with the latest news and weather while getting ready for the day. Segment 4. Automatic Soap Dispensers. Finally, we have the latest automatic soap dispensers that are perfect for keeping your hands clean and hygienic. These dispensers come with motion sensors that dispense soap automatically, helping to prevent the spread of germs and bacteria. Some models even have refillable cartridges that you can easily replace, making them eco-friendly and cost-effective. Conclusion: that brings us to the end of our video on the best new bathroom appliances. Whether you're looking to upgrade your toilet, showerhead, mirror, or soap dispenser, there are plenty of options available to suit your needs and budget. We hope this video has helped you find the perfect appliance to take your bathroom to the next level. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.